Are you out of your mind?
Excuse me, are you out of your mind?
Staying? Are you out of your mind?
Are you out of your mind? Get in there. Are you out of your mind?
After 25 years on the wagon, are you out of your mind?
I'm not staying here. Are you out of your mind? This is my car. You work for me.
Are you out of your mind?
I don't think so. Are you crazy?
I'm coming with you.
Are you out of your mind?
We can do this.
Fucking bullseye.
Are you out of your mind?
We have to jump?
Are you out of your mind? I would literally rather do anything else right now but that.
No! Are you out of your mind? Does it look like we're even close to winning? We just got the shit kicked out of us.
Are you out of your mind? I think, on advice of counsel, I'll decline to answer that one.
Are you out of your mind? What's the matter? You can't get home like that. We're invisible, don't you know that?
Are you out of your mind?
Not saying it's him. I'm saying, what if? Who else has the resources to pull this off?
Are you out of your mind?
I don't know what happened. I messed up. I'm sorry.
Are you out of your mind? The Greek Olympiad has been banned. For life. You'll all get thrown off campus.
That's a chance we're gonna have to take.
If running's the plan, as far as you want.
Are you out of your mind?
Both my legs are broken, so they can't take me right to jail.
Fletcher, what were you doing? Are you out of your mind?
No. I'm thinking clear.
Are you out of your mind? We need their help. And you're harassing little old ladies?
Out of my mind?
Whoa! Ha! Who's out of my mind?